Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be exploring a TPD Series module application. In laboratory environments, precision and safety are critical. From pharmaceutical research to cleanroom facilities, maintaining controlled conditions is essential to protect sensitive experiments and comply with regulations. Today, we'll look at how the TPD 703H touchscreen controller integrates environmental monitoring and access control to create a smart, automated lab. Before we get into the rest of the video, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our informative content. And visit us on our website to learn more about us and our products. Imagine a pharmaceutical research lab where temperature, humidity, and air quality must remain within strict limits. Any fluctuations could compromise test results or damage sensitive samples. Additionally, access to restricted areas must be controlled to prevent unauthorized personnel from disturbing experiments. Traditional monitoring systems require multiple devices, manual record keeping, and frequent on-site checks. With the TPD 703, the entire system is centralized, automated, and accessible remotely, ensuring seamless control and compliance. At the heart of the system, environmental sensors continuously measure temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide levels, and air pressure. These sensors communicate using Modbus RTU over RS-485, sending real-time data to the TPD 703 panel. The TPD 703, mounted at lab entrances or workstations, displays live environmental readings and allows authorized personnel to set thresholds for automated adjustments. If conditions move beyond acceptable ranges, the system triggers alarms, HVAC adjustments, and sends notifications via email or SMS. For security, an RFID card reader is integrated into the system, ensuring only authorized personnel can access specific lab zones. When an employee scans their card, the TPD 703 verifies their credentials and unlocks the electronic door lock. If access is denied, an alert is logged and sent to security personnel. All environmental data and access logs are recorded in a central SCADA system or cloud dashboard, allowing supervisors to monitor trends, generate compliance reports, and receive real-time alerts from anywhere. By integrating environmental monitoring and access control into a single system, the TPD 703H enhances laboratory efficiency, security, and regulatory compliance. With real-time monitoring, automated controls, and remote access, labs can prevent costly failures, protect sensitive research, and maintain a safe working environment. Technology is transforming laboratory management, and with the right tools, we can build smarter, safer, and more efficient research facilities. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to our channel. And please leave us a comment to let us know what you think or ask any questions related to this application, or visit us on our website and chat with our team to find a solution you're looking for. See you next time.